and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy, and today I will be combining the flavors of an everything bagel with chicken to make a cream cheese stuffed everything chicken. That's what I'm calling it, an everything chicken. And don't forget to subscribe. I am putting out recipes twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays, so I don't want you to miss any of them. If you hit that notification bell, then you'll know as soon as I upload a new video. And also, give me a big thumbs up. So now, let me go over these ingredients with you and show you everything that you will need to make this delicious cream cheese stuffed everything chicken. Okay, I am using 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. However, you can use as many as you want. These are actually extra large, so I think you could get 2 servings out of one chicken breast here. And then I have 1 beaten egg. I have 1/4 of a cup of just all-purpose flour in a Ziploc bag. And then I am using this chive and onion cream cheese spread. You can use just plain cream cheese. I just like the added flavor that it gives. And I am also going to be using this everything bagel seasoning mix. And I got this at Aldi. Sometimes you can find it in other stores. If you cannot find it, then just combine minced garlic, minced onion, poppy seeds, and sesame seeds. And so you will need some of this, and then just salt and pepper. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to butterfly the chicken breast, and that is super easy. All you do is you just go in, and you just want to cut this in half, but you don't want to cut it all the way through. You want to be able to open it up, kind of like a book, making sure that you do not cut it all the way through. And then you can just lay it out flat. And now I'm going to season with salt and pepper on each side. It's very important to season your chicken well. So next I'm just going to add my cream cheese to my chicken. And you just want like I don't know, depending on the size of chicken, but like a 1 big heaping tablespoon, it should be fine. And then I'm just going to kind of spread this out. And then all you need to do is just fold it up. So now I'm just going to take each piece of chicken and drop it into this Ziploc bag with the flour. Okay, so next I'm going to roll the chicken in the egg. Okay, I had to wash my hands before I could put my bagel seasoning, everything bagel seasoning, and I'm just going to put just a little on the plate. I don't want to dump a lot and end up wasting it, so next I'm going to just roll this chicken in this everything bagel seasoning. So there's one. Using one hand, I'm going to roll my chicken into the egg, and the other hand I'm going to pour onto my plate here. So next I'm just going to place my chicken into a hot skillet that I have put some olive oil in, and now all I'm wanting to do is just sear each side of this chicken for a couple minutes. It just kind of toasts up the seeds and the seasoning mix. So just a couple minutes. And now I'm just going to remove them and place them onto a baking tray that I've lined with parchment paper. And I'm going to finish cooking these in the oven. This is massive, this chicken breast. So now I'm going to place them in a 375-degree oven for around 40 to 45 minutes until they're completely cooked through. Just look at it. This chicken smells delicious. It smells just like an everything bagel. But I've got to give it a try. That is delicious. I hope that you will give this a try. And I'm serving it alongside some rice and some asparagus. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with more recipes.